Stop doing accounting the hard way. Still running your business with spreadsheets and outdated accounting tools? Meet Bizsight 365, modern accounting built for real small businesses. Track sales, expenses, and cash flow in one simple, intuitive workspace. Your numbers anywhere you go. Real-time insights. Zero complexity. Spend less time on bookkeeping and more time growing your business. Bizsight 365.
Let me give you a quick tour. Let's get started. We are sitting in the customer homepage. You see the left navigation. You've got the top navigation, and you can expand the left navigation to get the full menu. We are going to key in an invoice. Let's select Fabricam. And you see that the address is filled in. The date defaults. You can add a customer. You can add an item. We are going to select an existing bicycle. It's an adult mountain bike. We'll add a replacement chain, and we are going to have our bicycle assembled. We will put a little note in there that says, include all the packaging material. The customer wanted to make sure that a few things that came with the package are included. Customer will pick this up later this evening, so we will put a note there at the bottom of the invoice. You can see all the shipping information. You can also configure it so you send a credit card payment link. I just went ahead and printed this. You can change that print template. You have multiple templates that you can use. And there is your confirmation. We will go and look at this invoice in our listing, open it to confirm everything is there, and we are done. Next, we're going to choose to record expenses. I choose expenses from the top. I'm going to choose my vendor, oil and fluid warehouse. I'm going to change the date. I'm going to look for a utilities account where I can book my monthly utilities expense. I'll put $335.65. I could have chosen to go by item. Here I'm choosing to go by account. Let's go ahead and save it. I'm going to choose bills and receipts. That's where I'm going to find what I saved. And I picked a status of paid because this was an expense that was already paid for. So there it is. I could have chosen to look at add memos or attachments. If so, they would be there. All the reports will help you eliminate a lot of the paper. Next, I'm going to take you to the accounting side where you can enter a journal. So I put a memo is selected, an account for utilities. I key in an amount, and then you'll see that it balances the other side of the entry. Put a note up there. It takes me longer to type something out, but I put a little note up there, and then I'm going to save it. And then basically I created a debit and a credit, and I can go and look at it. I can find it here, or I can search for it. I just happen to know that entry, and there it is. Simple as that. Next, what we're going to do is take a look at some of our reporting. You can either come to a home page, select this little section that's called reports, select the group of reports like sales or purchasing or accounting. Here I chose customer summary. I can also go to the left navigation, click on that, and I see all my reports in one spot. I clicked on the same customer summary report, and there it is. Click on Fabricam, and there's the detail of all the invoices or the sales that make up that number. And there's you can keep going down to the detail. Next, we'll take a look at a customer aging report. So let's go down to the customer aging report. So there it is. So you have your 30, 60, 90 of and which customers are due. Next, let's go take a look at the vendor side or the purchases side. We'll just look at a vendor aging summary report. Again, similar to the customer, you see the vendor, all the different vendors that you owe payment for. Let's go to the accounting side. Let's look at a profit and loss now, and let's do a comparison against what we did this month to last year. So there it is, this month to last year with a dollar value change as well as a percentage change. And if I drill down into it, in this case, I drill down into sales, I was able to get to the sales number. Lastly, we're going to take a look at the balance sheet. Again, we did a comparison and try to wrap it up. And so there's a lot more reports. Bizsight allows you to interact with it in a conversational mode using our AI agent. Here we're going to say, give me sales, show me sales for this year. And there it is. Well, let's try show me expenses for this year. So those are some samples. You can just type those out as well. So there's your expenses. How about show me expenses for this month? Click on the agent, just like you would do with ChatGPT or anyone else. There's your expenses for the month. Let's also take that a little further. Let's say, hey, can you create an invoice for Fabricam, my customer Fabricam, and I'm selling him a bicycle blue for $220. There it is. That's it. That's all you needed to do. We want to help you spend less time on bookkeeping and more time growing your business. Bizsight 365 stress-free accounting. Try it today.